Kynhun Myntri Sorkar ka Jilla Meghalaya hinnin ka sngi kala Mynjur ya ka Pynkylla Kyrteng ya buon tali ki Surok bat ki yeng Sorkar ba ha ka Jilla bakan thop ya ka Pynkylla Kyrteng ya ka Surok hatura kum ban Pynsahnam ya Bishop George Mamala Seri ubala khlat no ya ka Surok Pynsahnam Road Sha Holy Cross Hospital hatura la Pynkylla Kyrteng ya ka Sha ka Surok Bishop George Mamala Seri Road Myntri rangba ka Jilla o Conrad ki sangma ula ong bakatay ka Surok Menshua latip kum ka Holy Cross Road ban minta an Pynkylla no ya ka kum ka dak ban Pynsahnam ya Bishop ka balang Catholic ubala Shakri la Slembha hatura Bishop George Mamala Seri ubala khlat no ha ka santarek unaitung arajar arpusaw.
Renamed the Pynsahnam Road going towards the Holy Cross Hospital, which was earlier named as the Holy Cross Road, will be named as Bishop Mamalasari Road, late Bishop George Mamalasari Road. That also has been finalized. This, of course, is in memory of late Bishop Mama, who